Fancy stuff. All right, so today we're gonna just swap some wheels and then just have a chat, just hang out with me. I'm trying to change the look on Rosie. We'll see if it works. The main reason I'm getting inspired to change up the wheels is because I've been watching a lot of Weekfest or Wekfest Japan coverage from different channels. I just love how their cars are slammed. Maybe they're just weekend drivers. I'm gonna be daily driving mine, but I also have Jackie, so I don't know. I love what. So anyways, I went and got the M7s from storage, my mom's garage, and now yeah, we're gonna play with the height a little bit. Most likely I'm gonna take the JTC wing out, and then we'll see how we go about it. But it's gonna be fun. I just want to have you guys hang out with me. Let's move this car, and yeah, it has a lot of sensors. Turns out a little different than the CRV. Alrighty guys, so yeah, she definitely looks low on the beat up side. I haven't taken those zip ties out in a long time. Current height, my only biggest concern is this left side. This left side hasn't been rolled properly, so it may hit. We'll see. I'm still debating which wheels I'm going to put up front. I don't know if I want to go with the reverse stagger, so meaning the wider wheels in the front. I'm going to play with the height right now, but I'm thinking based on the fact that my rear, I ordered rear camber kits, but they're not going to be here yet. And the Megan Racings that I have on there, they don't something for the mic. They don't really have adjustability. I'm actually having them at the shortest setting, and as you can tell, this is the most camber I have. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna get the not so wide wheels and put them on the back, since they will require less camber. Then the front, I'll see. I think it'll look cool. And then like I said, I'm definitely gonna I'll see how it looks. I'll take out the car with the wing to the front, but I think most likely I'm gonna take it off just because I want more of a cleaner flow. And then I'm just probably gonna put some tape over those little 2 holes, so that way it doesn't get water in if it does rain here, because it's been acting up. It's been weird. It rains, it doesn't rain. So let's get to it. All right, so a little bit of a tight fitment in the back, but it's at least a finger and some change gap. I forgot to show you guys, but these are the Megan arms, and they're at the shortest length possible. Let me just tie a little bit so that way. Gets a little bit of a better tighter fitment. All right. Don't worry, I did hand tight all the way till the end. This is just, they're not fully tight, so don't worry. Okay, so that's that. That's one side. So the other side. So actually, change of plans. What I decided to do, I'm gonna put one side, I'm gonna put the smaller, all right, so I changed my mind. Actually, what I'm gonna put one of the wider wheels in the one side, and so the specs are, I think these ones are 17 by 10 plus, I can't remember, 23, and then the other ones are 17 by 9.5 plus 17, I think. I'm wrong on that. I don't know. I can't remember. But I'm going to put 17 10s, 17 with 9s to see how it looks. I'm gonna take the front bumper out because I can't race it, and the straight is hashtag get a real Phillips screwdriver. Due to my calculations, I'm thinking that the best way is going to be to put the shorter wheels on the front, wider in the rear, because on this other side, it's not rubbing too crazy, but it's rubbing just enough for me to be bothered by it. So I think that's going to be the best way. Put these ones in the back, and then we'll eliminate any big rubbing. It looks good either way. I mean, they're aggressive wheels to begin with, and then the wheel and the tire and the wing combo, I don't think it goes, so I'll be removing the wing, which is fine. I don't have. So the wing is out. Before you guys start, oh my gosh, it looks so much better without the wing, bro, blah 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 blah. The wing will be coming back. Trust me. I have some other goodies up there, plus a lot of goodies on the way that have to go with that wing. So this is more like me changing it up before the other change up. I'm not gonna hype it up like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be insane, because it's not. It's not gonna be insane. It's gonna be maybe paint match with that. But yeah, that wing is coming back for sure. It's probably my favorite part of the car. But anyways, wings out. I gotta cover up those holes because they're pretty big now that I look at them. And then after that, I gotta adjust the height. If putting lipstick on a pig was a car, this would be it. So since I'm gonna be getting the heat gun, I am considering maybe wrapping the car. I don't think I'll follow through just because it is a difficult challenge. But I lowered this side a little bit more. I think it just looks much proper like this. The car does need a wash, but the headlights, they're a little foggy now. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be getting some yellow film and doing yellow tint on the front headlights. Yeah, Ricer mods, I don't care. Or not even mods, but just Ricer things. So that's what I'll be doing. I think the car looks nice. Brought the camera, so I'll be taking a little nicer pictures. A lot of editing for sure. I think the stance on it is perfect. But overall, I'm happy with it. It's a little bit rubbing on the front left on hard turns and, you know, major speed bumps, but for the most part, it looks good. No complaints. So it changes the look for sure. I'm happy with it. No complaints from my end. But yeah, it changes the look for sure. What do you guys think? Yay, nay? I dig it. Something different. I like the fact that I can just change up the wheels and the height, and the car looks completely different. Almost has like a different purpose. But like I said, the wing will be coming back. The wing is not going anywhere. In fact, the next time you guys see it, it might actually be even much better. When it comes more like JTCC inspired, or focus, or style, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, for now it looks okay. Thank you guys for hanging out with me for a little bit, just so I can just chat it up. Like I said, I do have plans on doing something with the body. I don't know if I'm thinking about wrapping it, if I want to be brave enough and do that, or just waiting for paint. We'll see. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Till next time.